Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Thomas the Apostle, and we also say Saint Thomas or the Doubting Thomas. In our gospel reading today from the Gospel of John, it says Thomas called Didymus. Didymus is a Greek term which means twin. And some scholars would say that Thomas has a twin brother or maybe twin sister. But we do not know really what's the gender or the name. Other scholars would say that Thomas has two-faced, meaning a person who doubts, on the other hand, a person who believes. Some scholars again would say that twin means we are his twin. Because like Thomas, we also doubt in one way or another. Let me focus on doubting. When we doubt, there are two effects. On the one hand, when people doubt, it could be the source of anger. It would be the source of destroying relationships. Have you experienced being husbands and wives? Kung magduda ang asawa, magsige nilag away. Di siya kasulti nga nagduda siya, iyan lang saput-saputan. Whenever a person doubts, he has no peace of mind. Asa na kato akong anak ron, asa na kato akong bana, dugay pa man ni uli, or nagpundok na pod ay, basi ako na po gilibak. When we are in doubt, we had no peace of mind. But on the other hand, let us look at the positive aspect of doubt. We doubt in order to achieve truth. Doubt would lead us in searching for truth. In today's context, when there are so much fake news, and fake news being repeated sometimes become what is truth. Kaya nagtuutang, gibalik-balik sa social media, gibalik-balik sa TikTok, biskang fake news, and everyone is talking about it, nagtuutang nga maunay tinuod. It's good to doubt. It's good to search for truth. Do not believe immediately. You have to ask, who is the source? You have to ask, what is his intention? You have to ask, is it really the truth? Doubt would lead us in order to seek for truth. In today's context, ako pari, siguro kamo inyong mga silingan, daghan kay maghatod-hatod og istorya. Og dunay uban, mutuo ra po dayon. Biskang ang iyang gisulti, dili tinuod, o pwede gipunan, pwede po gikuhaan. Kana bitawng nay maghatod-hatod og istorya, unya moingong kag, kinsa may nagsulti ana, ang tubag, ingon sila. Kinsa man ang sila ha, ambot lang, basta sila. Munang pagbantay, ayaw tuo dayon. Kinahanglan mangutana, kinahanglan mo verify. Kay kaning chismis, ganahan kay tani ana. So, as we celebrate the feast of Saint Thomas, we are asked to doubt in order to seek for truth.